Hello, we're going to do another video and we have the help of not only my green bear, but my purplish pink bear is going to help us today as well. Can you say hello? Hello. All right, we have a set of cards again and we're going to work on saying what they all are as quick as we can, okay? Green bear is going to hold them. And we're going to pass them to little purple bear. What is this? A question mark. It's what you find at the end of a sentence that asks a question. All right, pink bear, you hold it. What's this one say? This long word to start with. Qu. Remember, they're friends. You'll never see Q without you, and they're friends. So we look at that as a special sound. Qu. We add a vowel. I. It's short sound. And the end sound is k. Qu. I. K. Quick. 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 Quick, quick. Go to the next card. Thank you. P. N. Say it faster than me. Pin. Say all of these faster than me if you can. Pin. W. I. O. Will. Will. W. I. N. Win. Win. Hold on to those little there. Z, e, p, zip, zip. L, egg, o, egg, leg, leg. If your leg would please hold these up, I would appreciate it. F, e, o, fell. Fell. B, e, d, bed. Bed. She fell asleep in her bed. Yes. Yes. Don't you love when your mom says yes? Wet. 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 Wax. 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 Your candles are made of wax. Wax. Sat. Sat. She sat down. Sat. All right, we may be done with that group of cards, but I have another one sitting right here. And this time, I think I'm going to let Pink Bear hold them, and we'll give them to Green Bear. What is this mark? It is an exclamation point. It shows excitement, like wowie, kazowie, wow, whoop, cool, neat, watch out, help. At the end of any group of words, if you see that, it means it's supposed to be said with excitement. And who did we say that was? Question mark. Question mark. You see that at the end of a question. What is this? That is a period. You see that at the end of a sentence. You should not have to stop a sentence until you see this mark. Thank you, Green Bear. 6. 6. 6. 6. Tim. And notice there's a capital in the front. That means this is someone's name. Tim. Do you know somebody named Tim? I do. Somebody special I know that's named Tim. Fan. Fan. cool down with a fan. Fan. Oh, this is a sad word. S, I. And together these say the sound k. S, I, k. Sick. Good job, you got it. All right, here comes our next one. I, p. Rip. Rip. Sometimes I like to hear the rip of the paper. I don't know why. I like the sound, I think. Sit. Sit. And you notice this is a capital. That's not because sit is someone's name. But you might see the word sit at the beginning of a sentence. And if you do, that means there will be a capital at the beginning of the word at the beginning of the sentence. That's why it's capitalized here. Sit. Bib. Bib. Now wait, children. Do you wear a bib? No. You're too old for a bib. No, no, no. Oh dear, look at here. There's a capital. Let's read this word and see what it might be. Pam. There's a capital at the beginning. That capital means that this might be a name. Is Pam a name you might have heard before? I know someone special named Pam. She's my aunt. I have an aunt named Pam. Pam. Somebody's name. Olk. Olk. Milk. Milk. Do you drink milk? It's awfully good for your bones. Good idea to drink milk if you can. All right, I'm going to set that over here. Did you do all of your words? Did you say them quickly enough? I don't know if you did or not, but we're going to do them one more time. And this time, I'm just going to use green bear. And I'm going to see how quickly you can do them, okay? Are you ready? Quicker than me. Here we go. Milk. Pam. Bib. Sit. Rip. Fan. Tim. 6. Go faster than me. What's that? Period. What's that? Question mark. What's that? Exclamation. What's that? Sat. Faster than me. Wax. Wet. Yes. Bed. Fell. Leg. Zip. Win. Will. Pin. Quick. Once again, question mark comes at the end of a group of words asking a question. Hey, you all did a very good job, and just for doing such a great job, I'm going to do a jig. What's a jig? It's a dance. A jig, jig, jig. A jig, a jig, jig. A jig, a jig, jig, jig. Jig, a jig, jig. Good job, kids. See you on the next video.